All right, exercise number 7. I'm sorry.
Okay.
It says use the distance formula to find the distance between the given points to the nearest tenth. Now listen, I showed you when we were going over this that this is really just the Pythagorean theorem. Right, when I plot these 2 points, I don't know, I'm not going to spend a lot of drawing on this. 4, -4 is somewhere down here, right? 9, -8 is down here, something like that. And they want to know what's the distance between these 2 points. Okay, well, if it weren't diagonal, I could just count the blocks, right? But it also makes a triangle, so that a right triangle, so that I can use the Pythagorean theorem. Now, I'm not going to spend time drawing all the dashes and stuff because we know that the distance formula says, right, boy? That d equals the square root of x of 2 minus x of 1 squared. Because this gives us the x side. That gives us this side. We'll call that a. Right? Plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Which gives us this length, which is b. Right? So it's a squared plus b squared, and then we take the square root of it. D is, of course, c. Right? Okay. So let's fill this in. Distance is equal to the square root of, what would you like me to put in for the x's here, boy? X of 2.
9 minus 4.
Okay. And then what would you like me to do for the next one?
-8.
Yes, sir?
Minus -4.
Okay. So now the distance is going to equal the square root of 5 squared, right? 9 minus 4. Plus, it says -8 minus -4. So that's just -8 plus 4, which is -4 squared. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So now our distance is going to equal the square root of 25 plus 16. So our distance is equal to the square root of 41. And 41 is prime, so I can't break it down. Okay? So I'm just going to leave it as the square root of 41.
This is the nearest tenth.
Oh, to the nearest tenth.
So it'd be
Okay.
6.4.
Is it 6.4? Does that make sense? Okay. 6.4. There we go. To the nearest tenth. Okay. Boy, does that make sense? We were talking about it earlier. That's why I'm asking. Okay. Good job, folks. I think you're ready for your test.